In 1956, an outbreak of Minamata disease caused by mercury took place in Japan. Minamata disease is the result of methyl mercury from factories polluting the ocean. Seafood becomes contaminated, and the people who eat it contract the disease. Minamata disease affects the central nervous system. A variety of symptoms occur throughout the body, and serious cases have even resulted in death. Also, mercury was passed along to fetuses through the intake of mercury by pregnant mothers, resulting in abnormalities among the children born.
私たちが経験した水俣病を悲惨な出来事で終わらせてほしくない。どうか世界が役立ててほしいというふうにですね、強く訴えたんですね。
However, even after learning that mercury is harmful to the human body, people have continued to use it. Mercury poisoning has been causing harm all over the world. August 16th, 2017. The Minamata Convention went into effect in order to eliminate damage to health and the environment caused by mercury, and over 80 countries have already ratified it. It imposes restrictions on the manufacture and import and export of many products that use mercury. Projectors are not subject to the convention's restrictions. Even now, projectors containing mercury lamps are produced and used in large numbers all over the world. Lamp-free is a product concept developed by Casio out of consideration for the environment. Casio, we are contributing to the environment and to society through our lamp-free philosophy of mercury avoidance, protecting our children's well-being for the future. You too can contribute to the creation of an environmentally sustainable society by using Casio mercury-free projectors. Do it for the welfare of our children. Do it for the future of our planet. No more mercury.